Next topic, we are going to see about how to create the frames and adding text or images into the frame. So first, before that, we are going to create a frame with the help of rectangle frame tool. You can see here rectangle or ellipse or polygon frame tool are there. So first I am selecting that ellipse tool and I bringing to the working area and I just click and drag, so that I had added an frame. Now x cross lines are within that circle. No, it is represented as a frame. So we can directly add a text by clicking the text tool. We can just place it here and we can see here we can easily add some text within the frame. After that, I have changed the font color and size. You can see that. First Control A you give, and then to select in the color palette. You can see the styles and colors. You can just see and select some colors, and you have to change the font size, and you can change the leading points. So there are congested lines. It is appearing like this. So it is adjustable, and see the text are entered directly within that frame alone, within that circle. So that for advertisement, and you can see the logo are designed with the help of this page maker, so that you can add the insert a picture. Now you can easily add it into the circle. So what is a frame? It is a container which consists of images or text within that, and how to add it. Are you really understand? Okay, now how to combine the text already, that is what already created with the text block. So what I am going to do is I am just I'm going to create a new page, or I am just moving to the new page. Yes, and here I am going to move to the second page. In second page already I am having the text, and what I am going to do is I am just going to create a frame, and the frame color is green. Here I am choosing some other color, green or red I am choosing. Now I am going to draw the frame. Yes, now the frame is red color, and here my text, I am going to select the text, so I have to click the text, and I am selecting the text. Clicking the text tool, and I am here. What I have to do is I have to, by pressing Ctrl A, I am selecting the text and I am changing the color into black or blue, whatever it may be. Now the text color is blue and the frame color is red. I'm filling with yellow. You can just select the tool, the pointer tool, and then you have to click the frame, and now you have to select the background. So now what I am going to do is I am just going to change the text color. How to change it? You have to select the text tool and you have to select the text. Then what we are going to do, we are going to select the color, particular color. So after clicking that, the text is red color and the frame is in yellow color. Now what I am going to do is I am going to select both the text by pressing that. You first select the pointer tool or selection tool. Then what you have to do, you have to select the text block, and by pressing the shift key you have to select the frame tool. Now both element are get selected. Then what you are going to do is in element menu, what you are going to do is element frame attach content, element frame attach content, so that the text got added into the frame. Once again I am doing it. I am just deleting everything. First what we are going to do is we are going to create a frame, and what we are going to do is we are going to create a text I'm going to add some text. Okay, and I am selecting the text with the help of shift and arrow keys, and I'm going to change the font color, font size, and leading point is 36 is 32, and I'm going to set the red color for the font. And now what I'm going to do is, with the help, first to select the pointer tool, then you have to select the text, then with the help by pressing shift key you have to select the frame, and you have to choose in what menu you are going to choose is element, frame, attach content. So the text is get added into our frame. This is how we are converting the text in a text block into the frame. And how to separate the text from the frame, how to separate the text we are added. No, while you are moving, what it get, you just click that and you just move with the content. You can easily move from one pages to another. Now what I am going to do is, we are going to separate the text from the frame. So we have to first select the frame, and what we are going to do is, in that element, frame, delete content, so that the frame get deleted. And after moving to